What is up, YouTube? This past weekend I went for a ride. My left mirror fell off. 100 kilometers an hour, just fell off. Bought a replacement and thought I'd make a video on how to install it. Let's go. This is how the mirrors come in the box. Pretty cool. Not as cool as this. I already have these in the bike already because I had these mirrors, so I won't be using those today. Pretty simple to disassemble it, and all we need to do is undo this. This is really tight straight from the box. We just got to undo it. All we really need to do is shorten this. As you can see, there's a bolt in there. Just need to undo that so we can separate them. I like this little gold thing, so I'm just going to put it on. Just need to make sure that's aligned. It's really as simple as putting those together, and as you can see already, it's shorter than what it was before. All we need to do is when we go to put it on the bike, put the little screw in. So we're pretty much just going to use that for the bike because this little arrangement is still in my handlebars. So we pretty much just need this to screw in what's already there. So I don't lose anything, put this back on. Let's go. So as I mentioned before, I already have these inserts already in my bars from my last mirrors, which are exactly the same, so no need to put those back in. So I'm simply going to be bolting this straight into what's already in there. Pretty straightforward. Make sure it's nice and tight so it doesn't move around while you're riding. So that's straightforward as that. Super tight. Now to the other side, we're going to repeat the exact same process. This is them pointing up. This is what I usually run and what I've had for 2 years. And this is what they look like pointing down. A bit more stealthy, a bit more low key. Keen to know what you guys think. Let me know in the comments.